We have this code here that if you make it run, it makes this little rectangle to move on the screen. And so let's see how we do it. And first of all, let's import tkinter as tk, and let's create the root from the main class, and then let's create a canvas equal tk.canvas. Let's create a rectangle called r1 equal canvas dot create rectangle. Let's create a width and height equal 600 and 400, and let's create a x and a y equal x divided by 2 and width divided by 2 and height divided by 2. So the canvas will be attached to the root with the width equal width w and height equal h, and then we're going to create a rectangle that will be x and y with the x plus 10 as to define the rectangle, and the y plus 10, so it will be positioned in the middle and with a little square of 10 of the side, the measure of the sides. So we go to keypress function with event captured, and before we do this, let's bind to our window the press of a key, and that will bring me to the key press function. And in the key press function we will define a x and y local key variables, not the one that you see above, and then if event.char equal a, it means that is pressed a, the x will be equal minus 10 because it will go to the left, and starting from 0 on the left, it means that if you go to the right you increase, if you go to the left you decrease. So then let's add also the other one, that is the d, where you goes to the right you increase, the w, where you have the y that decreases to the when you're going to the top, and s that you increase when you go down. Then you go canvas dot move your object, that is r1, in the x position or y position. You shift of 10 or minus 10, you shift of 10 or minus 10 on the y, and then at the end you just start the root main loop to make all the windows work in loop. And okay, we got to add another equal sign here. We didn't pack the canvas to make it visible and position it. And now it works.